Amazfit GTR 4 comes with a built-in speaker and microphone. Using them, you can take calls on your Amazfit GTR 4. However, one of you commented on my call quality test video saying it's not working for you. So that's why I decided to make a dedicated how to set up Amazfit GTR 4 call function video. Let's get started by opening the Zep app, tapping on the profile, and now open Amazfit GTR 4 device page. Here, scroll below and look for the phone option under the app settings option. On the next screen, you will find the turn off incoming calls and Bluetooth calls option. Let's discuss them one by one. First is the turn off option. As the name suggests, this option disables all call notifications. The second option is the incoming call option. Selecting it will enable call notifications only, so you will only be able to see caller ID on the screen, and you will only get two options whether to disconnect the call or ignore it. To protect your privacy, you can even set up whether or not you want caller ID to be displayed on the screen. So if you generally pick up your phone in no time, then you can delay the alerts. You can delay the notification alert by 3 to 30 seconds. There is also an auto SMS reply feature that allows you to set up a quick reply function when you don't pick up a call. You can also add and edit the existing quick reply messages. The last option is the Bluetooth calls. Selecting this option would enable the calling on your GTR 4. A small pop-up will come up on the screen asking you to pair your phone to your watch. Tap on OK to pair. On the next screen, the watch will ask you to open Bluetooth settings and pair your watch to your phone. Go back. This green screen with the phone paired written should come on your screen. Now you will be able to take or make calls using your Amazfit GTR 4. One more thing. Zep app doesn't sync your contacts to Amazfit GTR 4. You will have to do that manually by clicking on this Add Contact option. If you followed all the steps mentioned in the video correctly, then you would be able to make or take calls on Amazfit GTR 4 now. Also, consider subscribing and supporting our channel to watch more videos like this on wearable tech.